Good morning. This is Tom Manson with Police Technical. I'd like to tell you this morning a little bit about one of our newest courses that we're offering for 2015. The course is taught by Sally Rollins, who is a former lead instructor for Bear Analytics out of Colorado. Sally started her career as a crime analyst in Longmont PD, also in Colorado. She eventually moved to a couple different agencies before settling with Bear Analytics, before coming to Police Technical. The course that she is offering is unlike any other course and unavailable from any other source. The course that she's teaching for us is Microsoft Access for Public Safety. This has been a course that we've had requests for really some time, ever since we started doing application training. The course being taught by Sally is a great course in relational databases, and we really think it's going to be a great course for our core group of people. In short, it's going to utilize Microsoft Access for law enforcement data. As with all police technical courses, the only thing we do are law enforcement courses that have a technical nature. This course has a variety of applications for it: collecting, cleaning, storage, and retrieval of law enforcement data. But the data is one thing. It's really the insight that comes from that data that's so critical to us. One of the quotes that Sally likes is, "The goal of this course is to turn data into information and information into insight." And that is exactly true. A lot of agencies have a lot of data, but the insight that they get from that data is sometimes lost for all the numbers. What you'll learn from this course: there are a lot of things in this class, but one of the first things that we address first off are the differences between Excel and Access. Microsoft Excel is one of our most popular courses, but it is not a relational database. It's a flat system of columns and rows. Access, though, is a relational database that allows us to connect multiple tables, multiple chunks and pieces of information together. Excel's strength, of course, comes from its ability to chart data, to use formulas, to use graphs, but Access really has the ability to store massive amounts of data, to manipulate and look at that and explore that data, and then to provide reporting from it. These are both great programs. Not to take anything away from the Excel class, but the Access class really is a different type of data course than what we've offered before. What you'll gain insight from: every agency has virtually all of these lists: CAD data, police reports, jail records, field interview, GIS, sex offender registries, pawn shop warrants. All of these different data sources, all these towers of data, can be combined through Access. They can be mined and queried through Access. Excel will do a pretty good job of processing if you have one stack of maybe CDR data, but it doesn't do a great job when we're combining multiple silos of information, and Access does just that. One of the things that you'll be able to do after class, this is a long list too, and people always ask, well, this sounds like a decent class, but what can I do with it after I'm done? One thing that you can do with this, you'll have better control of your data and better control over your own records. It's one thing to have the information, but to actually be able to look at that data, to get it into a system that you can control. It's one thing to use i2 or Analyst Notebook, but those are different systems that really don't serve everyone in law enforcement, but Access truly can. It can help you by this. One thing is, it'll help you create your own relational databases for all kinds of law enforcement data. And we're not the hands-on activities. I think there's 15 or 16 hands-on activities throughout this class. You'll have the ability to utilize the data that's most important for you and for your agency. You'll be able to build a relational database to get that data in, to build forms with that data so other people can access it, to import data from multiple sources, and finally, and most powerfully, you're going to have the ability to run and write your own SQL queries. These are really, a query is just a fancy word for a question, but from those queries you can generate reports that really provide insight for your agency in a way that Excel really just can't do. Finally, we also give the ability to manage your databases. We want you to be able to back them up and keep them safe. This course, Access for Public Safety, is running nationally in 2015. We've got numerous locations. We've already had one date in Denver, Colorado, but coming up in Sacramento and Houston, Dearborn, Salt Lake City, New Jersey, and Phoenix, and finally back to Denver before the year's out. A few agencies have also bought this class for their own people, and I'd really encourage you to take some time to look at the schedule at policetechnical.com to see if you can't send someone from your agency to attend one of these sessions. Each of our locations throughout the country is a national location. There's easy access to airport, great hotel, and great food facilities. We'd really like you to take the time to see if you can't get someone from your agency into one of these courses. Once again, new for 2015 is Microsoft Access for Public Safety. It is one of the 6 new courses that Police Technical is running this year. I really appreciate your time. Again, my name is Tom Manson with Police Technical. Please look us up at www.policetechnical.com. Thank you so much.